How to make your profile private in League of Legends. So before I even start this tutorial, I have to let you know that this is a feature that cannot be used by EU players. So for example, this is how you would usually do this. Here I opened up League of Legends and I'm gonna go to the settings here. The option should be right here. I'm gonna show a picture of it right there. And once you check that box right there, you're gonna click done, and there you go, you're gonna have a private profile. Now, they introduced private profiles about 10 months ago, and it is still not available on the EU region. And there you go. I hope this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.